everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be planning this weekly dashboard spread in my ink bucket planner for the upcoming week. So let's get started. I actually wanted to upload this video yesterday itself, but I hadn't done my grocery shopping yet and I wanted to do that to make sure I plan my meals. So that's why there's a day's delay in here. Let's get started with work goals. So what I'm gonna do for work goals and personal goals, instead of writing the goals directly, I just pulled some quotes and I thought I would write that to reflect what my goal is. So lately I've been struggling with procrastination a little bit. I think I've gotten better, but still it is there, and another busy work week is coming up with some other stuff as well. So I just wanted to write something about procrastination. And sometimes we see this as a curse. In some situations, procrastination has helped me a lot, and you'll see why. So what I'm gonna write here is procrastination has taught me how to do 30 minutes of work in 8 hours and 8 hours of work in 30 minutes. So with projects such as my college assignments, and studying for exams and things like that, the second half has really helped me. Like, I'm so quick when I would wait until the last moment and do the assignments. Initially I used to try to like plan it and do it well in advance, but then I noticed that if I do that, I take a lot longer to finish it. But if I'm more closer to the deadline, I'm really quick. And I don't know, I don't think that has affected my quality. Obviously, if I would have put in work for more hours without procrastinating, that might have helped bring up the quality. But then I was happy with my projects, I was happy with my marks. I have no complaints regarding that. Where I'm struggling is with this part, 30 minutes of work in 8 hours. Sometimes that happens, and this is where I curse procrastination a lot. So I thought I could put this quote here and just remind myself it's not all that bad, and also it is not that good as well. So I don't want to be dragging some work that I can get done quickly. I'll have that mental weight, and whole day I'll just be a little bit uncomfortable. I'll be like, oh, that's pending. So I just want to get that done, get it out of the way, and relax for the rest of the day. So that's for work goals. And for personal goals, I am gonna write don't look back. You are not going that way. So I think it's been about 1.5 to 2 months now, a lot of old memories are surfing up, and I go back, I analyze it, and be like, oh, I should have done that, or I should have done this. I think I could have done a little bit more better here, and things like that. I do find some value in learning from your past mistakes, or just from your past experiences. I don't even want to call it mistakes, but then always looking back and overanalyzing is not good. So just a cute little reminder there. And I wanted to use a sticker, which is this one that says grateful things are going to happen. So instead of focusing so much on the current day, or focusing so much on the past. The sticker would, it's a nice message. I should have put the sticker down first. Anyways, I don't want to cover this affirmation thing. I think I'm gonna put it here. Yeah. So just a little bit peek into the future to say that great things are gonna happen and not worry too much about past or this huge task list. It's not huge, but I do feel like it's huge sometimes. So just get things done, move it out of the way, especially things that I don't enjoy that much, and yeah, look for the future. Okay, that's one thing. And then next thing is meal plan. Okay, I have planned my meals, but I'm still not sure when I'm gonna eat what. So I am gonna use some sticky notes here. I'm gonna write down the meals and just put it here because, like I mentioned, I have a pretty busy work week coming up, and depending on the calls that I have and meetings that I might have, I just want to leave room, so because some of the meals takes a little bit longer to prepare. So on the days wherein I don't have a lot of meetings, I can eat those, and the other days I can make something quick. So I'm just gonna write all of that here. And this sticky note set is from Dollarama. The quality is not at all good. I really like the designs and colors. I have another one here. So they're really cute to see, but it does not stick, and I will be using washi tape, and I have the set here from Happy Planner. I'll pick one of those and use it. I actually got 2 sets of washi rolls, and both those sets had designs that aren't my, I don't know, I don't like them, that aren't my style, whether it's the colors or designs. So what I did was I bifurcated them into 2 parts, and then I put all my favorite ones in one of these boxes and the other ones in another box. So those ones I just use anywhere. I might need tape that really doesn't, the design would not matter at all. And then these I just use it in my journals and in my planners and stuff. And here we go, we are done. And I write, like, I just plan for 6 meals and I leave 1 open. If I go out, I might pick up something from outside, or I might go out with friends for dinner or things like that. So I just leave 1 meal out. I'm gonna put it over here. It looks like it's stuck, but it's gonna come out. I don't trust that, so I'm gonna use, let's use this. It kind of goes well. The color goes well with that. Oh my god, my sticker books fell down. I think I'm gonna put another one down. So that it sticks. This is gonna come out, I think. I think at the end of the week I'll just remove it and write down the exact things that I need. It doesn't matter, but I don't like how this sticks out and in terms of design. Okay, that's done. And for weekly affirmations, I wanted to add a sticker. Let me grab those books that come down. Okay, the sticker that I wanted to add was from this book. It says be you freely. Design wise, this spread is just messed up this week. Okay, let me just put it here. And then I'm gonna write as I thought I wanted to write in cursive, but I'm not gonna attempt that. I am filled with gratitude for who I am. So as I was mentioning about some past experiences coming up and noticing all the negative things about myself is happening more often than I want to, or so I just wanted to use this affirmation to be grateful for and also to create that habit of looking at positive things as well. So I wanted to do that. And this space I'm gonna leave for tarot reading. I haven't done the tarot reading yet. Yesterday I went out and I didn't have time. By the time I came home, I was really tired, so I'm just gonna leave it open. And if you're curious, I do it something like this. So I pull out the cards and I journal in another notebook, and I just take a few messages in there that I want to focus on, and I put it here. So that's how I do it. And shopping, I do want to write some things down. So let's see. I did see a shopping sticker here. Just gonna put it at the bottom because there's already a sticker there. Okay, one thing that I wanna buy is glass jars, and these are the ones in which you store dry goods and other stuff. I have some jars right now, but they're a little bit smaller for rice. I'm using, I think it's the capacity is less than 1 liter, so I want to get a larger one for rice so that I don't have to keep filling it up every time with that huge bag. And then I want to buy smaller ones for dry fruits and other bits and pieces. So I want to get that this week. And then I want to get some t-shirts as well as sweatshirts. I'll see. I don't own a lot of sweatshirts, and I'm not a fan of that, the way it looks, but lately I've seen some nice designs come out, so I thought I'll pick up 1 or 2 of them to see whether I'm gonna like it or not. But I do want to order a couple of t-shirts, so that's there. Things might come up, and I'll see. I'll add it if I remember anything during the week. And this one I want to change it to do. Let me replace it with a sticker. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a washi tape. Let's use this itself. The colors and design is all over the place this week. I'm gonna cover this up and layer it with a sticker. This washi tape is really easy to cut because of the stripes that's there, and it comes out straight. And again, there's a sticker in this called to do today. Yeah. Let's put it under. I'm just trying to see which color would go well. I think to do black. Might as well go wild with these colors. It's all over the place anyways. Okay. So first thing is podcast planning call. If you have watched my September monthly dashboard planning video, in that I mentioned that I'm coming back with season 2 of my podcast, and I'm having a call to plan out what it's gonna be and what are the topics that we're gonna cover, how many episodes, when would it go live, and all of those things. That's one. And then the next is full moon ritual. In the same video I spoke about this as well. So I do a very minimal ritual for full moon, and one of my friend, she does it on her own as well. This time we thought we could combine it and do it together, and also invite anyone else who might want to join. So we were thinking of discussing that this week because it's coming up next week. So full moon ritual, and then also I lost my Indian SIM card, and I need to make a call and do a couple of things that they've asked me to do. So I have to get that done. I have to get that done this week. So yeah, and yeah, I think we are actually done. Let me just, I don't know if I want to add more washi or stickers. I feel once this is removed, it's gonna be fine. Just this color is popping out a lot, that's why it looks a little bit odd. But yeah, I actually think I'm gonna stop it here. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed and you found it helpful, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.